Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDONE Dynamic Link Library and UNARC Dynamic Link Library error. So here, thank you for answering that Microsoft.com provide us the solution, the method. Usually, this error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. While installation, if your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So there is some method out there, but mainly I'm use this method to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. Let's try by hold Windows key and R key, and here you can write SYSDM.CPL, then click OK. And this is the system properties. You can click advanced performance settings. Again, you can click advanced, and this is the virtual memory paging file that you can increase by click change, untick the box, and here we go. You can custom size by initial size by 400, maximum size is 3000. So you can set it, and then you can click OK, apply, and restart your PC or your laptop. Then try to reinstall the game or software. Feel free to try to increase your virtual memory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.